Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ukraine. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine website. So very first thing is to check if you are really eligible. So in your city, check your citizenship, select your citizenship, purpose of travel. So I select tourism. Okay, you need to obtain e-visa. So if you're coming for the first time, register yourself. Put your email, surname, name, language, password confirmation and register. Okay, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see. So guys, what happens after you do this? Uh, you get an email with the link to activate your account. You have to click on that and then your account gets activated. Then you come here and then you can log in using the credentials. So it's asking for type of passport. Okay. Many people, most of the people will have international passport because not everyone gets access to diplomatic or service passport, right? And put all the details as per your case, guys. I'm putting just sample. What you do as per your case and any detail you enter, verify at least 2 times. Okay. It's telling you the documents that you need: photograph, passport copy, health insurance policy, copy of document claiming availability of sufficient financial security, proof of funds, you can say, and a copy of document confirming the business or tourist purpose. Okay. So if you come here, you can see this is it's in the 5 like tabs. So we're gonna start. Date of birth, I'm gonna put a sample. You do as per your own case. Place of birth. Citizenship, gender, marital status, as per your case. National identity, passport, personal number if applicable. Type of passport, do it as per your own case, guys. I'm just putting sample. And of course, don't forget to upload photo on the first page. I did not do, but you do because you don't want a rejection, right? Issue date. Issued by authorities as indicated. Check your passport. Of course, you know your postal address. Telephone number, including international dialing code. Okay. So India is, let me see if it accepts 0091. Wow. Purpose, entry, crossing, urgency. If you go for urgency, you need to pay more. And with urgently crossing, it will be processed faster. Crossing time was given on the front page, as you remember. Date of stay. So let's say you're going on previous Ukrainian visa, past 3 years. That's it. Type of person in Ukraine who invited the applicant. So I assume you're going on your own. So I select no. Name on hotel or address we are gonna stay. Okay, fine. Yeah. If you have booked, definitely you have the details right. Just check your booking. Don't do like this. Expense who's gonna pay? I select himself. Now you have to upload passport, health insurance. Remember on the front page we had the checklist. So you have to upload all that. Okay, next is gonna be confirming where you'll be submitting and paying the fee. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't.